Mountain biking is all about pushing limits and conquering terrain. It's an exhilarating sport that demands both skill and courage. But before you can shred with confidence, you need a braking system you can trust. A reliable braking system is your best friend on the trail. Your brake pads are the unsung heroes of stopping power, providing the bite that brings you to a halt. They are the critical components that ensure you can stop when you need to. Choosing the right brake pads is crucial for control, safety, and overall riding experience. The right pads can make the difference between a smooth stop and a dangerous skid. Imagine flying down a technical descent, the wind rushing past you, the trail a blur beneath your wheels. Your heart is pounding as you navigate rocks and roots. Every second counts and your focus is razor sharp. Suddenly you need to scrub speed before a tight turn. The trail demands precision and control. This is where the right brake pads make all the difference. They provide the confidence to tackle any descent, knowing you can stop on a dime. The wrong brake pads can lead to a loss of control, decreased braking performance, and even dangerous situations. It's not just about stopping, it's about stopping safely. By understanding the different types of brake pads and their ideal applications, you can ensure you have the stopping power you need when you need it most. Different materials and designs offer varying levels of performance. Don't underestimate these small but mighty components. They could save your hide. Proper maintenance and choosing the right pads are key to a safe and enjoyable ride. And remember, you can find the best brake pads for your mountain bike at sdstore.co.uk. When it comes to mountain bike brake pads, the two main contenders are organic, also known as resin, and metallic, also called sintered. Each type has its own unique characteristics that cater to different riding styles and conditions. Both have their pros and cons, making them suitable for different riders and conditions. Understanding these differences can help you make an informed decision about which type of brake pad is best for your specific needs. Organic brake pads, as their name suggests, are made from organic materials like resin, rubber, and Kevlar. These materials provide a softer compound that offers a smooth and quiet braking experience. They are known for quieter operation and a more initial bite, making them beginner-friendly. This means that new riders can feel more confident and in control when using organic pads. However, organic pads tend to wear down faster, especially in wet or muddy conditions. This can lead to more frequent replacements, which might be a consideration for those who ride in challenging environments. Metallic pads, on the other hand, are made from metallic particles like copper, brass, and iron. These materials create a harder compound that is more durable and long-lasting. These pads offer superior stopping power and better heat dissipation, making them ideal for aggressive riding or heavy bikes. Riders who tackle steep descents or carry extra weight will benefit from the robust performance of metallic pads. The downside? Metallic pads can be noisier and may require a little more hand effort for braking. This can be a trade-off for riders who prioritize performance over comfort. Ultimately, the choice between organic and metallic brake pads depends on your riding style, terrain, and personal preferences. The type of mountain biking you do plays a significant role in determining the best brake pads for your needs. Each discipline, from cross-country to downhill, has its own unique demands and challenges. Cross-country, or XC, riders prioritize lightweight components and efficient braking. They often ride on smoother trails and need brakes that offer quick response without adding unnecessary weight. Organic pads, with their initial bite and quieter operation, can be a good choice for XC riders. These pads provide the precise control needed for technical sections and are less likely to squeal, making for a more pleasant ride. Trail riders, who encounter a mix of climbs and descents, might prefer a more versatile pad. Their rides can vary greatly from smooth single tracks to rocky paths, requiring adaptable braking performance. A semi-metallic option, blending the modulation of organic with the durability of metallic, can be a good compromise. These pads offer reliable performance across a range of conditions, making them ideal for the unpredictable nature of trail riding. Enduro and downhill riders demand maximum stopping power and fade resistance. These disciplines involve high speeds and steep descents, where reliable braking can be the difference between a smooth ride and a crash. Metallic pads excel in these demanding disciplines, providing consistent braking even on the longest descents. They are built to withstand the intense heat generated during prolonged braking sessions. They can handle the heat generated from prolonged braking, ensuring reliable performance when it matters most. Whether you're tackling a steep mountain or navigating a technical downhill section, the right brake pads can make all the difference in your ride. Weather conditions also impact brake pad performance. Organic pads tend to perform well in dry conditions, offering good modulation and a quieter ride. However, they can wear down quickly in wet or muddy conditions, losing their effectiveness. Metallic pads handle wet conditions better, providing consistent braking power even when things get sloppy. The metallic particles shed water and mud more effectively, maintaining friction and stopping power. If you frequently ride in wet or muddy conditions, metallic pads are the more durable and reliable choice. They may require a little more hand effort, but the consistent braking performance is worth it.